Hello everyone, I'm Belle. Today is my holiday. I think today I make spaghetti and toast. To save first step, I will to buy ingredient. Let's go. Heat a pot of water and add a little oil to it. Bring the noodle to a boil for about 15 minutes. Wash the tomato and onion and cut them. After the noodles are cooked, scoop them up and wrap in cool water. Bring to mix the oil so that the rice do not stick together. Heat the oil and add the onion, tomato, and pork stick to combine. Add the tomato sauce and seasoning. Wait jam, condensed milk, butter and milk. Condensed milk on the base. Put another piece of base together. Cook an egg and add the milk and mix well. Toss the base in the milk mix too. Heat the pan and put the butter in it. And put the base in and wait until the base is cooked. Spread the jam on the base and pour the condensed milk. How does it taste?
So good.
Wow.
My stop.
Today I have question ask you.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Chang Min Ji.
How old are you?
คืออะไรวะ 15 year old.
What is your favorite sport?
I like to play volleyball.
Where do you study? Where do you study?
I study at Rothenburg Taipei School.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, I have a question to ask you.
Yeah.
What do you like to do this day?
Spaghetti.
Okay. Can you play guitar?
No.
Where do you go on the holiday?
No. At home.
Oh, so no. What kind of movie do you like?
Comedy
Oh.
and fantastic.
ได้อยู่
It's so good.
มันเหมือนปังปิ้งอะปังปิ้งทานเนยอะ
Mm.